How you can fix your image generation in Meta AI if it's not working. So first thing first, let's open the Meta AI app. And once you open it, you will be able to see the three lines at the top left corner of this home page. So just tap on that three lines button, and once you tap on it, you can see there is settings option at the bottom left corner of this menu section. So let's select the settings icon, and once you tap on it, finally, if you can see, then there is data and privacy option just down below of the help and support sections on the screen. So just tap on it, and once you tap on it, finally just select the very first one, which is manage your information. So once you tap, you can see there is two options in here. So first one is remove all public pipes, and another one is delete all chats and media. So just complete all the formalities by tapping on both, and yeah, you will be able to fix your image generation in Meta AI successfully. But by chance if it doesn't work, then what you can do is you simply uninstall it and reinstall it again, and yeah, you will be able to fix your regeneration in images in Meta AI successfully. So basically this is how, and this is the process to fix your image generation in Meta AI if it's not working. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.